No matter where you're headed, we're already there. Our technology will always be there for you. On a small scale at your home, it takes care of comfort and safety. Or on a large scale, where it provides for efficiently working buildings and optimal processes. Our modern industrial control systems ensure productive and highly efficient plants. Or they just cater for a lot of fun. Energy is valuable and is by no means available everywhere in the world. This is why we develop sustainable and energy-efficient technologies. Not that many know who we are, and yet you come across our technology every day. Because we are the global specialist for sustainable energy management. Turn on.